Hello everyone, let's see how to move the navigation bar in Outlook back to bottom. So let's start. So here you can see the left hand side, this is a navigation bar. You can see the mail, calendar, people's to-do list, Word, Excel and PowerPoint and other more apps also available. So this navigation bar I'm going to move in bottom side. So for that, go to the File tab, click on the last option and here Outlook option dialog box is open. Click on the advanced option. Here in Outlook pens, you can see here the one option show apps in Outlook. Just uncheck this box and after that click on OK. And here the small dialog box is open to restart your Outlook. Just click on OK. Now I close this Outlook and again I go to the left hand side search icon and click on this Outlook Classic and wait for the few seconds. And here you can see the bottom side, the navigation bar is moved. You can see here the bottom side, not the left hand side here showing. So this is a way you can move your navigation bar back to bottom. So hope you understood. Subscribe to channel. Thank you.